This video is important because it highlights yet another example of rules for thee, but not for me. In the eyes of badged tyrants, traffic laws trump the Constitution. And traffic laws apply to you, but not to the boys in blue. What kind of treatment would you expect from state troopers if you were going, say, 30 or 40 miles an hour over the speed limit? I got this footage from a viewer. This was taken from his front and rear facing dash cam on January 17th, 2024. He's traveling westbound on I-40 in Texas at around 1:05 p.m. What you're about to see takes place between mile marker 97 and 96. The speed limit is 75. The driver of this vehicle is maintaining a speed between 83 and 85 miles per hour. The date, time, coordinates, and speed is displayed in the lower left corner of your screen. As he passes mile marker 97, he goes under the overpass. Both he and the white minivan on the right passed the state trooper at 107 and 7 seconds, around 79 to 80 miles per hour. According to the rear dash cam, the trooper didn't move from his spot for at least 15 seconds until he was out of sight. At 107 and 26 seconds, the driver of this vehicle passes mile marker 96, and he maintains a speed of around 80 miles per hour past mile marker 93. The trooper now comes into view in the rear dash cam. As the driver slows down, the trooper passes him. Now, at this point, you might be thinking to yourself, well, he must be on a call. He's responding to an emergency. He's going to serve and protect people, and he needs to get there as soon as possible. Let's watch all the way to the end as the trooper blows by our friend with the dash cam. At 1:12 and 36 seconds, he passes mile marker 89. This is 8 miles after initially passing the trooper pointed in the opposite direction at mile marker 97 just 5 minutes earlier. There was absolutely no emergency the road pirate was responding to. He was just taking up another position in order to fish for people doing the same thing he just got caught doing. The Texas Administrative Code clearly states, quote, duty to drive safely. Officers of the department have an obligation to the citizens and visitors of this state to protect lives and property. This duty extends to the operation of departmental vehicles at all times, but is of special importance in all pursuit operations. The mission of apprehension cannot be accomplished if the patrol unit is involved in an accident. Exceptions to traffic laws. There are exceptions granted to emergency vehicles for turning, parking, stopping, signaling, and speeding. But these exceptions will only apply when an officer is responding to an emergency or pursuit conditions, which this trooper was clearly not involved in any emergency operation. And then it goes on to say that none of the exceptions to the traffic laws relieve officers from the responsibility to drive with due regard for safety of all persons. The use of a siren or emergency lighting does not reduce the need for cautious, defensive driving. But in this case, no lights or sirens appear to have been activated. So how fast do you think this trooper had to go to close such a large gap and overtake a driver traveling at 80 miles per hour? Have you ever seen a cop traveling at an excessive rate of speed while not responding to a call? Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe to our private email list through our website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, stand for your rights and exercise your rights. If you don't exercise your rights, you will lose them. I'll see you in the next video.